Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save a pin on Pinterest. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Then open the pin you want to save. Tap on Save at the bottom section and choose the board you want to save this pin to. And if you go back and tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner, and if you refresh the page, then you can see your saved pin if you open the board. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.